Ever since I started keeping a wine cork in my fridge, I've been paying less for electricity. It's so simple, yet I don't understand why so few people do it. The fridge, one of the most power-hungry appliances at home, can work more efficiently thanks to this easy trick. A wine cork is made from cork oak bark, a material that naturally absorbs moisture from the air. When placed inside the fridge, it takes in excess humidity, reducing the workload of the compressor in maintaining a steady, low temperature. This happens because drier air makes cooling more efficient. But that's not all. The cork also acts as a natural airflow moderator, helping to distribute cold air evenly, even to spots that usually stay warmer. As a result, the temperature is more stable throughout the fridge, and your food stays fresh longer. It also helps prevent frost buildup on the walls, a common problem in many fridges. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the cork and place it on the top shelf. It will absorb the scent and gradually release it, neutralizing unpleasant odors. Try this, and your fridge will use less electricity and run more efficiently, lowering your bills. Even such a small trick with a cork can lead to real savings over the course of a year.